forest fawn a short moral story. In a peaceful forest lived Luna, a kind-hearted girl who loved exploring nature. She knew every tree and trail, but one rainy morning, she heard something new, a soft, frightened cry. Following the sound, Luna found a tiny, shivering fawn trapped in a patch of thick brambles. The little fawn's legs were tangled, and it couldn't move. "It's okay, little one," Luna whispered, kneeling down gently. She carefully pushed aside the sharp branches, ignoring the scratches on her hands. Suddenly, a deep voice startled her. It was the mother deer, watching nervously from the trees. Luna paused, smiled softly, and said, "I'm here to help your baby." With one final tug, Luna freed the fawn, who quickly wobbled back to its mother's side. The mother deer bowed her head in gratitude before they disappeared into the forest. As Luna turned to leave, she noticed something magical, a trail of glowing flowers blooming where she had walked. The forest seemed to be thanking her. From that day on, animals would often come close to Luna without fear, as if they knew her heart. Moral: kindness and compassion create magic that stays with you forever. Thank you for watching.